Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia for those who are new here, and for those who are watching this video for the first time, welcome, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And on today's video we are going to dive into a very interesting topic and often misunderstood topic: the distinction between being a Jamaican and being an African. So let's explore the history, culture, and identity of Jamaicans to understand why they are not simply Africans. So before we dive in, I know this video might bring some issues, might bring some differences, but before you comment, just watch this video to the end. And the reason why I'm saying this is because this video might blow some people's mind, and to avoid all of those, maybe I know some people will understand me, others will might misunderstood me, but I'll try to be brief. So make sure you stick around, take your drink, sit here and watch this video. So we are going to start with history. We are going to start with the history. You know that Jamaica is an island nation in the Caribbean with a rich and complex history. And the majority of Jamaicans are descendants of Africans who were brought to the island as slaves during the transatlantic slave trade. And while Jamaicans have African ancestry, their identity has been shaped by a unique blend of cultures, influences, and historical events. Talking of the slavery during the transatlantic slave trade, this slavery was abolished in the year 1938 in Jamaica, but the journey towards the unique Jamaica, but the journey towards a unique Jamaican identity was just the beginning. During then, the slaves who were set free during that time, they began to forge a new culture, blending with African heritage with influence from the indigenous Taino people, European colonizers, and later East Indian and Chinese immigrants. So talking about the culture, as you know that Jamaican culture is just a vibrant mix of European and indigenous influences from, let's say, reggae music, the dance hall, their cuisines like jack chicken, ackee, saltfish, and many more. So Jamaican culture has a distinct identity that has evolved over centuries. Talking of national identity, being a Jamaican is about more than just ancestry. It's about the shared national identity and the pride. As you know that Jamaicans normally celebrate their independence, national heroes, the cultural icons. So is it this year they were celebrating the carnival? Is it this year whole last year they were celebrating the carnivals? About the national identity, in the year 1962, Jamaicans gained independence from British colonial rule. solidifying its national identity. And this independence brought about a renewed sense of pride and unity among Jamaicans. The national, that's why they have, that's why they have this one motto of out of many, one people. And this reflects the island diverse heritage and collective identity that has emerged. To further understand the Jamaican identity, let's hear from some of Jamaicans themselves in the comment section. Their stories and perspective will provide a deep insight into what it means to be a Jamaican. And one thing I'm proud of Caribbean people, all Jamaican people, is that these guys have made their mark globally. They have made their mark globally. The Jamaicans who are living in the diaspora, they are playing a crucial role in spreading and preserving their Jamaican culture, whether in United States, whether in United Kingdom, Canada, or elsewhere. Jamaicans continue to contribute to and influence their communities. And I just noticed that there are a lot of misconceptions about that Jamaicans are simply Africans living in the Caribbean, while it's true that African heritage, while it's true that African heritage is a significant part of Jamaican identity, and it's important to recognize that Jamaicans have their own unique cultural and national identity. Jamaicans have, so while Jamaicans have African roots, they are not simply Africans. They are Jamaicans with a rich, diverse, and a unique identity. So while Jamaicans are proud of their African roots, they are not Africans in the national and cultural sense. They are just Jamaicans with a rich and diverse heritage. I hope we are together up to there. So so guys, so much for watching. Thank you so much for liking the video. Also, if you have enjoyed the video, leave a comment, and also subscribe for more content on history, culture, and identity. See you in the next video.